Best car gadgets that are worth buying. Hey guys, welcome back to Fan Screens. And it's time to upgrade your car with some really impressive gadgets. Here are the best cars gadgets that are worth buying. Whether it's keeping interiors clean and tidy, connecting your smartphone to your vehicle, or saving your life, these creative car gadgets and accessories will have you covered on your motorized travels. Car coat hanger. If your car lacks a large and handy coat hanger, this one's for you. The clean wood design will certainly fit any interior. The hanger is almost 18-inch wide, which makes it suitable for coats and jackets of any size. It easily attaches to removable headrest with metal supporters. Unlike the smaller hangers, this one will keep the shoulders of your jacket in place. It's also strong enough to handle multiple coats or jackets at a time. This thing will free up at least one of your passenger seat. Alexa for car. Echo Auto is the gadget that finally brings Alexa to your car. Thanks to the 8 built-in microphones, this thing will always hear you despite the road noise, music, and all that stuff. Alexa is aware of the latest news and weather forecasts. She'll play music and an audiobook and make calls so you can focus on the road. The gadget is fairly compact and can be easily mounted to the air vent. Overall, setting it up is just a matter of a few minutes. You just have to connect the Echo to USB and aux port so it can use your car's speakers. Then, just pair it with your smartphone via Alexa app. Maybe it's not that awful to be stuck in a traffic anymore. Car cleaning gel. This is the thing you always need even you didn't know it existed. The nightmare of cleaning dust inside your car is finally done. This cleaning gel with its unique texture usually gets inside all the nooks like the vents, cup holder, and all sorts of crevices. Just press the gel to the surface, give it a little roll, then gently pull it. It's that easy. Special skin-friendly material ensures the gel won't stick to your hands. The piece might seem too small, but it actually extends to more than 9 inches. Each piece can be used multiple times until the color gets dark. The package includes 4 of those with different colors and fragrances: blueberry, grape, strawberry, and lemon. Amateur radio transceiver. If you always wanted to have an old-fashioned radio transceiver in your car, this is one to start with. Designed specifically for amateurs, the gadget is super compact and easy to install. It's equipped with a long power cord and removable faceplate. This frequency range is fairly wide with an amateur radio. The tuner supports VHF and UHF standards. Large and ergonomic tuning dial allows comfortable and precise switching with either 2 or 4 kHz steps. The palm-sized hand microphone is attached with a fairly long wire. Thanks to the DSP and noise cancellation, your voice sounds as clear as possible. You can also upgrade the audio with a wide range of additional accessories and tuners. LED car cup holder. Upgrade your car interior with this bright and unusual accessory for the cup holder. It's a small new way to show off your favorite car brand. These coasters match virtually any taste with dozens of logo options to choose from. They're also RGB enabled, which allows this beautiful glow in the dark. Moreover, the lights supports a variety of 7 bright colors alongside with different lighting modes. You can easily switch them with the built-in buttons. The special sensor automatically turns on the light when it senses vibrations, and when there's no movement, it just turns off. Another crucial feature for a coaster, it is absolutely waterproof. It's also easy to charge using a micro USB interface. One charge gives you up to 15 days of use. Each package includes a set of 2 pieces. Sideview Camera. This electronic mirror will turn an amateur into an experienced driver. Instead of just showing you the rear view, it covers each side of the car, eliminating all the blind spots. The mirror is connected to the set of 4 HD cameras. Quite a big touchscreen provides you with a clear image and all the settings. Fuel free to adjust the angle for each camera. Change the video quality and assess all your recordings. By the way, the mirror is equipped with 32GB SD cards. What's more, it automatically triggers the right camera when you either turn or change lanes. Lexus has recently added similar functions to their high-end cars. Take a closer look. Both side view mirrors are replaced by high-resolution cameras. Each of them is connected to its own large monitor, such a helping hand when parking. Car HUD Dual System Head-Up Display. When it comes to heads-up displays, the first thing you need is a clear and glanceable info. But this gadget is much more than that. Plug it into the OBD2 socket and it'll bring you to all sorts of useful data. Aside from speed and fuel consumption, it's also possible to monitor water and oil temperature and even turbine pressure. Moreover, this thing allows you to run instant diagnostics in case of any engine errors. Plus, using the GPS mode, you can perform speed up and brake tests to check your car's state. The built-in LCD display gets really bright, even in the sun, and there are several cool interfaces to check from. By the way, Mazda has also developed a cool concept which may be used in their cars one day. Their solution is definitely no less elegant. SUV tire chain. Winter is the most challenging time for driving. Ice and snow may cause serious problems, even for skilled drivers. The solution is really simple: tire chains on wheels. It's the easiest way to significantly improve traction without any special equipment. All you need to do is to put the chain into the right position according to the illustrated instructions. These self-tightening ratchets will automatically adjust the chain to the tire. It centers really quickly, and as a result, you'll get smooth and silent driving. The only compromise is the speed limit, but that's the last thing to worry about. The chains are suitable for different types of cars, trucks, and SUVs. These cute snow socks add several points to even smoother driving experience. They're easy to install, plus package includes special gloves and a storage bag. Car and motorcycle rear end alarm raiser. Another major issue for car owners is low visibility on rainy and foggy days. Here's a power laser light that will help you to become more noticeable. This one is easy to install with the included mounting bracket. You're free to choose any place in the rear of your car. A bright red color makes the light clearly visible in the toughest conditions. On top of that, it supports a warning system for risky situations. And if you'd like to have more creative lighting, then you can also consider this cool animated option with 6 different patterns to choose from. It's useful and stylish at the same time. The rotatable design makes it easy to switch modes with a single twist. Most importantly, the gadget is fully waterproof. It perfectly suits bikes as well. 4K Ultra HD Dash Cam. This gadget is helping hand in case of any car accident. It's a high-resolution dash cam that includes everything a driver needs. First of all, it shoots incredibly crisp 4K Ultra HD video to capture every detail within a 170-degree angle, thanks to the wide dynamic range. This camera perfectly handles any lighting conditions. The gadget is also equipped with a fairly large 2.4-inch LCD screen that you can use for instant playback. The SD card supports allows up to 256 gigabytes of storage for all your footage, and when the car gets full, new recordings just automatically overwrite the older ones. What's more is this thing is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can transfer videos to your smartphone. Compact body makes the cam almost invisible for other drivers, but they better be careful. 3rd generation USB Borescope. If you want to inspect your car engine, pipes, or any other place where the human eye is helpless, you need a good endoscope. Check out this one. It supports both full-size USB and micro USB connection to work with smartphones, tablets, and PCs. batteries. The flexible structures allows you to easily expand the cable, length up to 16 feet. The 5-megapixel HD camera module ensures a clear and detailed image so you can see the tiniest pins on the chip. Moreover, this thing also supports autofocus. It perfectly handles dark environments thanks to the built-in LED with 6 brightness levels to choose from. The gadget comes with accessories like mirror, hook, and gadget, which is extremely convenient. Plus, the endoscope is completely waterproof now, there's nothing you can't see.